As the world is observing the International Women's Day on 8th March today, the sufferings and victimization of the Kashmiri women at the hands of the Indian troops, police and agencies continue unabated in occupied Kashmir. A report released by the research section of Kashmir Media Service reveals that the devastating impact of the Indian state terrorism on the women in occupied Kashmir since January 2001, at least 688 women have been martyred by the Indian Forces personnel since January 1981. 22,981 women have been widowed, while 11,266 have been molested or disgraced at the hands of the Indian troops. All parties Hurriyat Conference has strongly condemned the India's use of the rape as a war weapon to crush the Kashmiris' freedom struggle, emphasizing that the prolonged Kashmir dispute has left the women in occupied Kashmir among the worst victims of the Indian state terrorism. APSC spokesperson Advocate Abdul Rashid Minhas, in a statement issued in Srinagar, said that while the world marks the International Women's Day for the Kashmiri women, the occasion holds no meaning. Speakers at a sideline event during the 58th session of the UN Human Rights Council highlighted the severe psychological toll of the ongoing Kashmir conflict, warning that the decades-long dispute has triggered a mental health crisis in occupied Kashmir. Organized by the International Muslim Women Union, Kashmir Institute of International Relations, and International Women and the Children Union, the event brought together prominent human rights activists and the legal experts. On the occasion of International Women's Day, a protest rally was organized in Muzaffarabad to highlight the plight of the women in occupied Kashmir. The protest was organized by Pasbane Hurriyat Jammu and Kashmir. Hundreds of the women, girls and other people gathered to protest against the Indian atrocities on the Kashmiri women, waving black flags and chanting anti-India slogans.